It is November 18th. And because of all the moving we've been doing, I have not planted garlic. But I have all of this garlic from our harvest last year, and I want to plant it. What are you doing, Albert? What do you want? I gotta go find the kids and get them to plant garlic with me. I've got the littlest one. Oh, you want to see the cows? All right, let's go see the cows. See cows? What is he sticking his head in the fence? Is he sticking his head in the fence?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, are you feeding him through the fence?
No.
Because he probably wants food.
No.
Come here. Bub, where's your shoes? Why do you never have your shoes on? Are you grounding?
Yeah.
Hey sis, you want to come help me? You want to go plant some garlic? You want to plant?
Yeah.
All right. It's cold today. You got the hats? All right, bring them with us. Come on, little bit. Come on. All right. Let's go plant garlic. We've gathered the troops. Many hands make light work. We are finding some of the nicest heads of garlic, the biggest ones, the most uniform ones, and we are taking those cloves and we're gonna plant those. I have no idea, because it has been quite cold, if this is going to work or not, but if I don't plant it, I can't say I didn't try. So we will find out come springtime whether our late planting of garlic works. If we get just a little bit, I'll be happy, and see how this goes. So this is a head I'm looking for. It's a good size. It's very uniform in shape. What I'm doing is just peeling it away. My cold hands are not working. And you're just revealing the cloves. You don't have to peel the very fine paper off the cloves. I will show you how you're going to plant these. Okay, let's show everybody. When you're planting garlic, you are gonna have a clove that looks like this. And you have this end right here, and that is your root end. So that is the end you are going to want to place down into the soil. And this is your sprout, your stalk end. So this is the end that's going to face up. So you will plant this a few inches into the ground. You will cover it with soil, and then because it is already very cold out right now, I will cover it with a really thick layer of mulch. It will be wood chips because that's what we have on hand right now. You can use straw, you can use any kind of mulch. That is going to tuck them in for the winter and keep them warm and safe enough that come springtime, hopefully they will start sprouting. So I've got this raised bed behind me that I'm gonna plant this garlic in. And again, because we just moved, I don't have a lot of my tools with me, but I do have this wrought iron stake that we use for our fire pit, and it's got a pretty wide diameter on it, and it's gonna be a pretty useful tool here. I'm gonna stand, what are you doing? You're chewing on garlic. So I'm gonna be able to stand up and poke this in the ground and make holes, and that'll make life so much easier when I go to plop the cloves in the ground. I'll be able just to put them in, cover them up, and then mulch. So be resourceful, use a stick. This is just what I happened to find that was sitting next to me. Root end. And this is the top facing up. Full. Put it in. Cover it up. Simple as that.
Can I do one? So this stops face up. Can I have one?
With that. You got your garlic? You ready to plant? So we're planting a soft neck variety of garlic. Based on our location and our growing zone, we could potentially plant both soft neck and hard neck, but because we experience typically milder winters, a soft neck variety is better for us. A hard neck variety requires a good hard freeze, and the times that I've tried growing hardneck garlic, it's just not really worked out very well. So we just stick to soft neck garlic. I planted them about 3 inches into the soil. I usually just measure with my finger, like put the hole in and push the garlic down that far. And I plant them about 4 inches apart. This is just based on the variety that I'm growing. I would look at the instructions based on the variety that you are growing. Some garlic bulbs do tend to get bigger, and so you may want to plant 6 inches apart. And I've spaced my rows about 6 inches apart. We could fit quite a large amount of garlic in this small little raised bed. I planted 3 different sections here, and each section has 3 rows of garlic. We usually plant about 25% more than what we're going to use, just because we use that extra to plant for next year. And so it's a very sustainable crop, and it's very easy to have this crop be sustainable. Your garlic cloves are your seeds. So that's what makes garlic so easy to save, unless you eat it all. Alright, we just finished planting. The kids are done. It's lunchtime. It's freezing cold out. And we're gonna
do.